I am worthy of everything I've ever wanted in life, and I claim it now. I trust the universe to provide me with all that I need and desire, and I am open to receiving it. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life, and I know that more abundance and success are on their way to me. I am capable of achieving my dreams and goals, and I take inspired action toward them every day. I am confident in my ability to create the life that I want, and I trust myself to make the best decisions for my highest good. I am deserving of success, happiness, and prosperity, and I claim these blessings now. I am surrounded by positive energy and supportive people who uplift and inspire me toward my goals. I trust that the universe is conspiring in my favor and working toward my highest good, even if I don't understand it right now. I let go of any doubts or fears that may be holding me back and trust in the infinite possibilities that exist for me. I am living the life of my dreams, and everything I've ever wanted is coming to me effortlessly and joyfully.